It's not easy being green.
And I'm a huge fan of the way you lose control and turn into an enormous green rage monster. Ho, ho, ho.
Green Giant.
I am the Green Arrow.
The Green Lion.
Two striking new green finishes.
It's the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro, but this time they come in green. And these are not the first time Apple has released green iPhones. I think the 2013 iPhone 5C actually has that honor for being a bright pop art mint green. The iPhone 11 came in a pastel green, but also famously for the iPhone 11 Pro, Apple released a deep Leica-style jungle green that they called midnight green. So Apple doesn't always, but they do quite often release sort of midterm iPhone refresh colors. 2017, the red iPhone 7, 2018, the red iPhone 8, 2021, the purple iPhone 12, and now 2022, the green iPhone 13, and also the pine green iPhone 13 Pro. And it just absolutely makes the kind of sense that does, because Apple doesn't typically do multiple phone releases during the year. Most years they just have the big fall release, and then occasionally there's the SE release in the spring, and that's coming up next, so make sure you do hit that subscribe button. But it's not like they have a Galaxy S and then a Galaxy Fold, or a Pixel and a Pixel A. So releasing a new color at least 6 months later at the beginning of the next year, it gets people who haven't talked about the iPhone in a while to start talking about it again. It gets people who maybe haven't upgraded their iPhone yet at least consider upgrading their iPhone again. So from a marketing perspective, it's all win. And yes, nothing else about these phones has changed. They still have incredibly good battery life, incredibly good displays, especially the now up to 120 Hertz ProMotion adaptive refresh display on the Pro models, terrific camera systems with 4K 60, HDR, Dolby Vision, and ProRes 422 HQ, although still no USB-C or Thunderbolt or even Lightning 2 I/O anywhere nearly fast enough to get it off, but I'm not salty. And a plethora of computational, photographic, and now video modes as well. Really, really good water resistance, not so good scratch resistance, but really impeccable ceramic shield shatter resistance. 5G, all the Gs, all of that exactly the same, just now in green. And from a color perspective, these are the nicest, the absolute nicest greens that Apple has ever released. And while I might still be holding out for a proper orange or a really deep purple, if this is the green of your dreams, then let me know in the comments below, and then hit up this playlist for much more on the iPhone, all of my reviews, everything coming up next. Just give it a watch, and I'll see you in the next video.